आयज स्पीकर इलेक्शन तुमचे कडेन 7 वोट आसा, 7य म्हणटा तुमी एल्टनाक पडटले काय कशें कितें?
कितें आहा मरे 7 न्हू आमकां अपेक्षा 10 पडत 7 कितें आहा चोयता न्हू तो आतां सद्या जें शासन चल्लां जें गुंडाराज चल्लां हेजेर ते 33 खुशाल आहाय काय कितें जो प्रश्न जाता ज्या पद्दतीन मंत्री आमदार झगडटा सगळो राग आज ते भायर काडले अशें दिसता.
तेंचे वटेच्यान क्रॉस वोटींग जातलें म्हणटा तुमी?
क्रॉस वोटींगचं डिविजन आमी सदां आमकां दिसता उबें रावतलें म्हूण कित्याक ज्या पद्दतीन आज हें गुंडाराज गोंयांत चल्लां खास करून इफ यू लूक द पुलीस आर ग्रायंडींग द कॉमन मॅन दे आर ग्रायंडींग आनीक गुंडाज आर रुलींग द पुलीस. जेन्ना गुंडाज आर रुलींग द पुलीस इफ यू लूक the way law and order has been collapsed in the state of Goa, the way administration has failed, आमकां ह्या विधानसभेन जे प्रॉमिस दिलेले सगळ्यो फोटाश्यो and all these lies म्हाका दिसता are exposed by the media itself. So today we expect the ruling members as well to stand up in support of the opposition. तुमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आसा they might be in majority inside the house in terms of numbers, basically 33. This is a political murder. Buying and selling in the political market has happened here. But outside this house, we are in the majority. We are 63%. So with people, लोक चड आमचे हाडले आहा. हें म्हाका दिसता स्पिकरांनी लक्ष घेवपाक जाय आनी हेजे मुखार म्हाका दिसता एज अ कस्टोडियन ऑफ द हाऊस whoever is elected as the speaker should basically maintain neutrality. जे प्रश्न ST समाजा विरुद्ध जावं कॉमन मॅना विरुद्ध जेन्ना आमी रेज करता दीज क्वेश्चन्स आमकां टायम दिवपाक जाय. whoever might be the speaker आमची अपेक्षा आहा की एडिक्वेट टायम टू दी ऑपोजिशन टू रेज द क्वेश्चन्स. एक इक्वेलिटी आसपाक जाय. सस्पेन्शन ऑफ रूल आज सस्पेन्शन ऑफ रूल करता फाल्यां करता हे डिक्टेटोरियल म्हाका दिसता हें बंद जावपाक जाय. दोळे मारपाचें बंद जावपाक जाय. हात हालोवपाक बंद जावपाक जाय. हें सगळें न्यू जें घडलेलें पयलें हें सगळें चेंज जातलें म्हूण आमकां अपेक्षा. कित्याक आमकां अपेक्षा की एल्टन डिकोस्टा इज अ न्यूट्रल कॅन्डिडेट पूट बाय दी opposition and definitely the ruling has to also support.
Yuri, one more thing is that how much confident you are that जेन्ना तुम्ही 7 जाण आसा तुमचे 7 जाण तुमच्या बराबर म्हणजे 6 जाण तूं देखून धरून 7 जाण सगळे तुम्ही बराबर आहा एका
हुंय बराबर आहा
ना आतां आयज जालें
हो प्रश्न तूं मागीर म्हाका विचार हांवें सांगिल्लें तुका 7 न्हय 10 जावपाक शकताय.
मायनस जाल्यार
मायनस ते कोटो न्हू तुका आतां कितें जाता तें कोटो न्हू. प्रपोजल कोणान गायल्लें कोण सेकंडर आय कोण सगळें कोटो तुका आनी 3 माय जावपाक शकता.
आतां पॉवर मिनिस्टरान सांगलां की दसरे उपरांत इलेक्ट्रीक फेअर आसा ते वाडटले कशें हांव रिएक्ट जालें.
सी ते स्मार्ट मिटराचे आमी उलयल्ले पॉवर मिनिस्टर आमी सांगलेलें की बेजिकली 900 odd crores of these smart meters that has been put on the public within 8 years recovery एक स्मार्ट मीटर घातले उमके वाडयतले. So this is basically expected from this government. First of all जो टेंडर 450 कोटीचो आशिल्लो that went to 130% कितें बीड जालें तें. It went much beyond. So these people they are not worried about the common man. Power minister or all the other minister or the chief minister they are not worried about what the common man faces. तांकां म्हारगाय वाडोवपाक जाय. रिकवरी जी इतली कोट्यांनी करपाक जाय ती रिकवरी करपाक म्हाका दिसता तांकां एक दम ना दाम आहा दम ना. सो म्हाका दिसता हुंय ना हुंय हो सरकार जो फेल जायत आसा आनी BJP म्हाका दिसता लोकांनी एक डिसिजन घेतला घरा धाडपाचो. सून यू वील सी दीस डिसिजन्स कमिंग ट्रू.
येरी बाबा काल
उलयला हांव स्पिकरा इलेक्शनाचें उलयलां. सो इतलें तुमी एक देट कूड बी अ सरप्रायज बट वी आर कॉन्फिडंट that the opposition are united and the ruling members also have to will vote or come in support of the opposition because of the failing law and order situation. Failing जे थिंगा गेल्ले 8 जाण जे घातकी गेल्ले ते घातकी म्हाका दिसता आज खुशाल नाय. कित्याक थोडे म्हणटाय दाम सारको ना, दम सारको ना, कितें बम सारकी काय कळना गेलें कितें आहा ते.
श्रीबाबाने काल तुमचे नॅशनल टीव्हीचे नाव येले पहिलं असतले तुम्ही ते पीपल आर आस्किंग Irialima from which street, so you become a famous on national TV also. How you react?
No, see, it is our duty to raise issues. Whatever happens, I believe that I purely believe on merit. I've been a first-time MLA, but I've been something who's come in the house, who's performed, studied the subjects well. I cannot comment on myself. It is for the people to comment on the work that I have done. It is for my people of my constituency to look at the work that I have done, and the people of Goa to look at it.
You know, your opposition MLA are claiming that minister with involvement, ruling minister with involvement in the.
See, I have always said that without the involvement of a politician, without the involvement of the police, can such a crime be committed? Without the involvement, you all also know it. So the police has said that they would investigate. They had given us a fixed period of time. They arrested certain individual. But who's the mastermind has to be brought out. Who was the mastermind to do it? Who was these videos being sent? There are several questions that today activists, politicians in the opposition are asking, that who is this person? According to us, it is very simple logic that this cannot be done without the political nexus, without the police criminal nexus. They have been given, I have said that हे पण arrest केला हांकां पिलूक मान आपयले AIA आनी जेन्ना भायर सोदताले मातशें आलोत भायर सोताले. So today, how is this case going to be in the court? What evidence will be provided? There are a lot of technical things. Today it should not be made a joke. कित्याक हें जरी तर आज एक डेमोक्रेसीची जी हत्या जाता, एक डेमोक्रेसीची हत्या ज्या पद्धतीन रामा काणकोणकर today is almost can't see in his right hand, damage almost in his brain, memory ताका problem जाता, serious injuries. So who has to pay for it? This is a direct hit on every Goenka. आनीक म्हाका दिसता की investigation जरी तर हे सारके करिनाय, then you will see in days to come how this agitation goes.
This is like a cabinet minister with involvement is there.
So, कितें आहा मरे कोण मिनिस्टर इन्वॉल्व आहा, केसले कोणान फोन मारले, कोण तेंचे बारा फोटोचे दिसती पडे, हें सगळें पब्लीक डोमेनान आसा. It is an intelligence failure. I am not a police inspector to investigate this. It is the duty of the Home Minister. He should himself know of why such crimes are happening. It is then ruling on. We will show how to stop this political nexus. In fact, this gangster ज्या पद्धतीन येताय गोंयांत, ज्या पद्धतीन crime करून, look at the prevention, look at the conviction rate, the lowest in the country. So all this, if you see, poor charge sheets, सारके witness investigation जायना. So all these criminals understand सुट्टले मोते, court तेंका bail दितले, काबार मागी हें होता है कित्याक ते? Because they are being given this political patronage, and in the future I believe this is a सारके murder of democracy, of our rights to curtail. तूं power आला कितें करपी? फाल गुंडा घातले, killing जातले, murder जातले. Where are we heading? But it is for the Chief Minister to look at it. It is a failure on the Department of the Home Ministry, failure on part of the Chief Minister of the rising crimes, murders, rapes. It's all collectively done. हे मागीर चोयल्यार डेटा चोयल्यार वाडत आसा. हांवें मुखेलमंत्री कितें म्हणटा, अवेरनस क्रिएट केलो. हेसले अवेरनसो मार्ग न्हू बारीक एक मार. एंड द अटॅक ऑन रामा काणकोण, whether you agree to his view or don't agree, that is not the problem. But democracy, everyone has a right to speak. Everyone has a right to speak. आणि हे तुझे हाल पत्रकार तुम सेफ आहे मग कितें सांगो जाता? हे गोंयांत कोणूच सेफ ना, फकत अदानी सेफ है.
Thank you.